about nervous system. Nervous system is a part of the body that coordinates its behavior and transmits signals between different body areas. It consists of two main parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system contains brain and spinal cord. Brain tells the body how to react and spinal cord connects the nerves to the brain. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system contains nerves which carries messages to the brain from all the parts of the body. Nervous system is a body communication system that controls our body. Does it allows to walk, to speak, to swallow,